All right, I guess I am on the rampage to rip this all out and understand how it goes. If I want to get this fuse thing out of here, I see that the way it's mounted in here with, this hornet's nest in here, doesn't look like that's going to come off real easily unless I pull this whole box off. So we got to pull that box off where the power was coming in. I guess pull that box off. I don't know if I'll need to pull this box off, but I want to get the fuse set up out of there. So so if I want to run another wire in there, I don't know. I guess I basically need to be able to get a wire in here. So yeah, I guess I'm taking all this stuff off the wall. I pulled the circuits out of here. That was the easy part. The GFCI circuit stuff was feeding this here, and then that stuff there. Yeah, okay, maybe I am just gonna get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, and then be left with just the timer and the lights. So I'm working on taking it all off and apart, one by one, and the GFCI circuit can move over to the sub panel that's over here. Now the sub panel is, the only things that are in use is this right here, which is this outlet, and then you notice everything else is off. This here is our 1450 for a car charger. So that and that, but that leaves me, not to mention the 1, 2, 3, 4 that I have there, but also 1, 2, so I guess 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 slots are currently available. So I can use 4 of them over here if I want.